Hey guys, so I got a quick video on a 2024 Honda CRV. This is a hybrid sport, but same procedure works on a lot of other models as well. I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance light or the oil service light for the oil life light on the CRV after an oil change. So we're going to use this center display right over here. So first thing we're going to do is go to the right, vehicle settings, right again, maintenance info. Then you can do just all items, will be easier. All right, so it should be reset. It should say 100%. All right, so very simple procedure. No special tools are needed. You can always turn the car off, turn it back on, and you can see that the light's been reset. Thank you for watching this video. Please support, like, and subscribe.